Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Rev Point video. In today's video, I'm just going to be going for a drive, taking the Corvette for probably its last-ish drives for the season before I winterize it. Before you say anything, I know I got stuff all over my face, trust me. Basically, I'm going to be taking it to a car wash, just washing it up, which isn't the best idea because it was just raining like all of this morning, so we're just gonna wash it anyway. The other main focus I wanted to make this video for, wow, I really gotta get this stuff off my face. But anyway, the other main focus on why I'm making this video is because, as you can probably tell by the title, I switched back to the old stock taillights. Reason for that, I'm going to be completely honest with you, I really did like the old taillights, but I had way too many people telling me that they were just Nissan logos. Like, I couldn't, I had my best friend tell me that it was like, oh, I like them, but why do you have Nissan logos as your taillight? And guys, let me tell you, I never looked at the taillights ever again the same. So, I am planning on getting new taillights, but for now, just for the last drive and probably maybe a little bit in the next season, maybe. I'm just going to be rocking with the old stock taillights. So let me show you guys what that looks like. All right, guys, so here we are. That is what the old taillights look like. So I do have my keys. If I unlock it, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Yeah, that's what they kind of look like on. So, yeah, I don't like the old taillights. I do honestly like the other taillights I had, the Nissan ones, but I couldn't have another person tell me that they look like Nissan logos. I just couldn't do it, so I'm gonna end up getting new ones anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna wash this stuff off my face and we will go from there. While I have you guys here with me, I'm not gonna be doing any POV drive in this video. I just, to be honest, don't really feel like it, so this is going to be kind of like one of those little mini vlog type videos. Hopefully you guys are fine with that. Oh my Jesus, man. Alright, that should be good enough. Almost looked like somebody gave me a black eye for a sec. Hope you guys like the haircut too. I know you guys really haven't seen it, nor you guys probably really care, but got a low taper fade. Anyway, let's hop in the car and let's go for a drive. And the car is on. Alright guys, so I do have to probably make a couple stops. I am at 66 miles worth of gas, so I do probably have to get gas. Also got to get some caffeine. Haven't had caffeine, but yeah, just bear with me. Right, guys, we got our caffeine. We also got our breakfast for the day, which it's noon, but it's our breakfast. And more importantly, we got a full tank of gas. So we are gonna hit the road and I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, guys, the car wash is done. I'm sorry I couldn't record it. There's no spot to set up my phone, so I apologize about that, but let me get out of the car and show you guys what we're working with. So here we are. After the car wash, I tried to dry it a little bit, but there's not much I could really do, so I'm kind of letting the wind dry it. But yeah, guys, this is what we got here. Guys, there are some clips for you. I had to kind of cut it short because there was no exaggeration, a really creepy woman walking towards me. She was literally like, I know this sounds like I'm being an ass, but there's nothing around here. And she came up to the car while I was recording, but like I was over there, so she was walking towards it and she didn't see me. Obviously the car's on and whatever. As soon as I saw her, I like grabbed my keys and I like walked back in my car, and she immediately turned around. And it was weird. She kept on like looking around, but anyways, maybe she meant no harm. I don't know. We're not in like a third city, but we're not in the best town in Connecticut. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you later.